What up guys, welcome back. Digital Slang, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another video for you. These are the matteblack BlackPods Pros, the TWS, the i200000s, and I know it's a crazy name, the TWS i200000s, but that's what they're called. But we'll check them out. We'll run it through all of the testing. Again, the matte black pair, spec-wise, these things, battery life about 4.5 hours, depending on the volume you're listening to content to. They do support wireless charging, Bluetooth 5.0, and they have ReName, ReMap, GPS, all of the good stuff. And they are one-to-one in size. So we'll go in, we'll check them out, we'll do all the testing. Price tag on these, 54 bucks, right from the factory, right from AliExpress. So 54 bucks. Now, chip-wise, these do not have the latest and greatest chip, the Air Horror chip. Like the video I just dropped the other day, the Air 2s, they finally came out with the new chipset on those with the better volume and the better sound. So just be aware that like all the matte black ones that we've tested in the past, these are going to sound similar. They will sound better because there's going to be a little more hint of bass because of the seal on the in-ear buds. But we don't have the upgraded chip yet in these. Eventually we will get those, and I'll let you guys know as soon as they do arrive. But let's talk about the packaging really quick. This is another thing. Because this is one of the first ones that have come out, the packaging isn't set. It will come in black packaging eventually, but right now we get a white box with a white front and nothing else really on the box. And that's about it. There is a little tag on the back that says made in China, but other than that, pretty standard, pretty plain box. It is pretty cool though. It is a magnet on the box, so it does just attach like that and it opens up. And there we have our matte black pair, the TWS i200000s. We're just gonna call them BlackPods Pro for the video. So let's just take a look, see what else is in the box actually. If we jump into the box, we do get a white lightning cable, and I'm sure, again, this will be something else that changes as well. I'm certain we're gonna get a black cable moving forward, but we do have the manual with them in black. And again, right now, these are white silicone tips, so I might try that out, the white tips with the black. It might look pretty dope, but for now, we're getting white tips, and then we have the quality control sticker, but we'll push all that to the side, and let's take a look at the matte black pair. These things are dope. It is a one-to-one in size. These are the originals right here, so it is a perfect one-to-one in size. The originals have a little more weight to it, so it's not a one-to-one in weight yet. But we'll get there. And again, this is the first gen. They're only going to get better from here. So the BlackPods Pros, we do have our LED light here on the front. If we open it up and get our first look, it's super clean, super dope looking. I really like the look, the feel. It just looks sharp. It just looks really clean. And on the bottom, our port to charge, the button on the back to connect our hinge. It is a plastic hinge, not a metal hinge, but we do have the lid that stays open. And it works pretty well, not bad. If we open it up, we take a look at the buds. Now the buds do have a small stem, so it is not a perfect pair yet. So the stem here, I'll show it to you guys really quick. You can see there is a little stem there. And on the bottom, it's all chrome on the bottom. There isn't just a ring like the real deal, but we'll get there. Again, this is Gen 1. And they're going to get better. They're going to improve the sound quality, and all of those little details will improve slightly over time, just like the Air 2s have. And today, the Air 2s are basically a perfect one-to-one. So let's connect them. We'll run it through all the testing, and we'll check them out, see how good they are. If we open up the lid to connect, we do get the pop-up, not your AirPods Pro. We hit connect. We hold the button on the back, connecting, and we're going to get the same animation we do with the real deal. Just like the white pairs, it's going to be all of the same animation. All right, guys, we're all connected. Let's go in and I'll show you all of the features and we'll start the testing. Now, if we go into settings and we go into Bluetooth and we go into the info button. Now, what I want to show you guys is right now this interface, even though we can go in and rename and remap it, it is not the same interface as the real deal, right? There is a little different. It's supposed to say fit test. It's supposed to have a different setup. This is more like the Air 2s. We get that same setup, but again, as future versions come out, I'm sure we'll get the real one-to-one that we want. But for now, you still can go in and rename them. And the left and the right you can change. Automatic ear detection. Now this button does not work and you can turn it on and off, but it's not going to change your in-ear detection. Your in-ear detection does work on these when you take them out, but you cannot go in and turn that off. It's not going to work. And the microphone, but we can do next track and change all of our left and our right double taps, and that does work. And renaming, you can also go in, and if you go into Find My, it does have the Black Pros here, and you can go in and it does show you your GPS location. So renaming, remapping, and GPS does all work. Let's go in, we'll play some music, we'll check out the sound quality, and we'll do all the testing, and we'll run through it. We've been through these tests a bunch of times, but we'll still check it out. Play some music. Sound quality is decent. It's not bad. If the real ones are a 10, these are probably a 7.5, maybe an 8, maybe an 8. There is some bass. Overall, it's crystal clear, but it's not as loud as I would like it. I want that thump, right? And I think with a little more volume, I'll get a little more bass, and that's what I'm looking for with a pair like this. So again, this isn't the Air chip, but we will get that eventually, and we will get much better sound moving forward. But right now it's not bad, it's crystal clear, but it will get better as we go on. So we'll continue the testing, we'll try in-ear detection, we'll play some music. Music is playing, right bud? Music pauses. Left side, take it out. It does pause, back in. So in-ear detection does work, however, you do have to hit the play button when you put them back in your ear. Next test, we'll do a mic test.
What up, guys? Mic test, the TWS i200000s or the BlackPods Pro, whatever you want to call them. This is the mic. Let me know how it sounds.
What up, guys? Mic test, the real AirPod Pros. Let me know how the mic sounds. If it's comparable to the BlackPods Pro, it probably destroys it. I'm thinking it's still so much better, but let me know. Next test, touch controls. We'll test it. I have it set. 2 taps on the right side should go to the next track, and 2 taps on the left should go to the previous track. So we'll just check it out really quick. We'll play some music, and we'll do 2 taps on the right first. Watch the phone. Goes to the next track. Watch it again. Next track, one more time. Next track, and it works very well. Now we'll do the left side. I'll do it from the ear this time. We'll play some music. 2 taps left side. Start the song over. Previous track, previous track, previous track, and it's really quick, really fast. So touch controls work pretty good, and it's very quick, very instant if you find the right spot. It did take me a minute to find the right location where it does work. It's not the top of the stem like on the Air 2s and the older versions. It's right around where the force touch is for the real ones. And if you just tap there, you can use it, and it's touch controls, and it works very well. Next test, we will check the latency, see if there's any delay between audio and video. We'll go into YouTube and we'll play a video. So definitely some delay between audio and video. Let's try another one. So definitely some delay, and it's going to be on YouTube. And we're gonna try Netflix really quick just to see, but most likely, I don't think there's gonna be any delay on Netflix. So no delay on Netflix, however, there is delay on iOS, and for whatever reason, a lot of these clones, when they first come out, until we get that upgraded chip, there's going to be some delay with iOS, and it's only on the iPhones. There is no delay on Android on YouTube, but for whatever reason, the iOS devices just seem to give us that little problem, but no delay on Netflix, and if you want to watch movies or content, you'll be okay. All right, guys, the BlackPods Pro, the TWS i200000s. I know it's a crazy number, crazy name. That's just what they call them. But this is the first model, the first gen and early version. So there's some bugs, right? There's some latency when watching content on YouTube. When I was listening to music, every now and then the music would just come on its own. I didn't even play the music. So just be aware of that. These are a little buggy here and there, but they're not that bad. Little things that need to be improved upon, like the interface when you go in and when you want to change the name and rename, remap, all that good stuff. It's the same interface from the Air 2s, not from the Pro version. So little things like that they will improve upon, and it will happen sooner than later. And I did order these a while ago, so we might already have them on the new ones coming out. Also the packaging, a white box with white tips and a white charger. That is going to be black moving forward. If you guys get a pair, let me know. They might have already fixed all of these little issues, but I wanted to get this pair in just to review it. I'll drop the link below, guys. 54 bucks on AliExpress. Don't waste your money on Black Noir. I spent the 99 bucks just so I can check them out and talk to you guys about them. I ordered them on Thanksgiving, so we'll see how long they take to come in, but it's going to be the same pair. It's all coming from the same place. Those are just rebranded and doubled in price, so just be aware of that. They're all coming from the same place. But the good, you can rename, you can remap, and GPS does work. So sound quality is not bad. I think I rated it when I listened to it a 7.5 out of 10. But I'm comparing the 10 to the real deal. So overall, it's not bad. There is some bass. It is crystal clear. You guys can tell me how the mic sounds. But for the first pair, the first gen, it's matte black. They look dope, super smooth, super clean. There are some good things and there are some bad things. They will get better as we move along. And again, sooner than later, we will get better pairs. So let me know what you guys think of the BlackPods Pro. Let me know if you check it out. If you have some of the same problems that I did, let me know. That's it. I appreciate all the love and support, guys. You guys are awesome. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Ring that bell. And we'll be back with more videos soon, guys. Peace.